location, 1 Romeo Delta, holding short of 24 left, ready for takeoff.
1 Romeo Delta, we're going to wait for the next land for your wing numerous separation, so hold short runway 24 left.
1 Romeo Delta, hold short of 24 left.
November 1 Romeo Delta Tower, line up runway 24 left. One Romeo Delta, contact departure airborne, wind 186 knots, clear takeoff, runway 24 left, good day.
Contact departure airborne.